my name is Anna Rivas. It is October 15th and I am doing Lab 6 Muscle Physiology, where I will be performing exercise 3, where I will be utilizing the stretch and shortening cycle by measuring maximal vertical jump height. So I'm going to have 3 trials, and within 3 trials I'm going to have 2 jumps. The first jump, I will be jumping without the stretch and shortening cycle taking place, and by doing that I will go into a squat for at least 1 second and then jump. The second jump will have the stretch shortening cycle being taken place, and that is when I will squat down fast and jump without holding it for at least 1 second in a squat position. So I said I'll do 3 of these, but before I do 3 of these, I need to measure my standard height without the jump. So the way I'm going to do this, just so it's easy, I have made different stickies. The first sticky says starting height, and then that way I can do all 3 trials without having to pause a lot in between, and then I can go back to measure them with the labeled stickies. So I'm going to start with my starting height. I'll go against the wall, and I'll just place my hand up. Perfect. So that's my starting height. So trial 1, my jump 1, which will not have the stretch shortening cycle. Jump 1. So squat, and I hold it for at least 1 second, and jump. Perfect. This is trial 2. That's going to have the stretch shortening cycle. Perfect. That actually got higher. Wonderful. And then I'm going to do this for 3 trials. So trial 2, jump 1. Perfect. Trial 2, jump 2. Perfect. And then trial 3, jump 1. Go back into squat for at least 1 second and jump. Perfect. Perfect. So, as you can see, I have all 3 trials on there. Now I'm going to measure all 3. Oh, and I'm also going to have to measure my starting height as well. I'm going to have to use the measure versus this measuring tape because I'm way too tall for this measuring tape. Perfect. Perfect. So I'm going to record this. And I'm going to go ahead and fast forward and measure all of my jumps and then compare it at the end. So in conclusion of my exercise 3, which is utilizing the stretch and shortening cycle by measuring maximal vertical jump, I came to the conclusion that my jump is higher when using the stretch and shortening cycle. Even after the 3rd trial, it was still the same results, where I was higher at jumping when the stretch and shortening cycle was taking place. Thank you very much for watching my video.